relaxation day. We spent it at the hot springs, massages. Today we decided to go on an adventure. So we're going ziplining, rappelling, and horseback riding to like an indigenous part of Costa Rica. That behind me is the volcano, Arenal, which we have a beautiful view of from our hotel.
Keep your head back. Keep flat. Keep flat. No, he's gonna stop. Yeah.
I'm scary because I lost control and I forgot what to do. There's so many instructions. Here's kind of where I messed up, I think. Yeah.
Well, chicos, this is the rappel. We have to go all the way down this rope we have here. This rope is going to support all our body weight.
So I just did my first rappel thing. I mean, I've rock climbed before, but for whatever reason, this felt a little more real. And I kind of lost a lot of control and didn't have proper etiquette or whatever. But anyway, I'm alive and well, thank God.
Keep your hand on the rope.
Somewhere underneath the floorboard I will sweep my garden. Underneath the cupboard lives a mouse, and he discovered there was nothing there. Nothing there to discover.
Medio, acá al izquierdo.
It's kind of scary riding a horse, though.
You like it?
Yeah, you just never know.
Take off in a minute.
Look at these little bugs. They're ants, no?
Where?
Los hormigas?
See, he said there's a little volcano over there. And they're curious about it because it's growing. It's not active, but it's growing.
Nayara es otro hotel. Es como decir más en función y todo más poderoso.
Come on, let's go see Michael. I don't know, my favorite thing I think was ziplining. That was fun. The rappel, I don't know. It was fun, but I lost my control too much. And the horses, you never know with those horses.
Pooping,
Peeing, and chafed thighs.
Bye.
The times we had